Good day everybody. I came across this question. Let me draw the figure. We've been given a trapezoidal, or you can say a trapezoid, and we're asked to find the perimeter. Now, by the way, this question is already on the social media, and the solution given by the author need not be so much complicated. You can check it out if you got time. And the entire area of the trapezoid is given to be as 486. This angle is 45 degrees, and if I were to name it as A, B, C, D, so we are expected to find the perimeter. Now, the technique adopted by the author who had initially made this video, it's too long. Now, I'm going to show you a technique which is minimalistic in nature. Now, this is a trapezoid. Now, you need to know that trapezoid is made up of 3 triangles. And if it is not so, there is also a triangle and a square. Right, so clearly I can drop a perpendicular and connecting E with C, and this is going to be a square. And not only that, in the question we've been given that AB is same as BC. So everything is given, it's so straightforward. Now, since this is a square, if I were to take this as A, this is going to be A units, this is going to be A units, this is going to be A units. Now clearly we know that this is 90, this is 90. Now if I were to draw a bisector, an angle bisector over here, clearly this angle bisector would divide this 90 into 45 into 45. So this is going to be 45. Now this angle is 45, this angle is 45. So what do we have? We got an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So that would mean if this side is A, since the base angle is same, clearly this will also be A. So I'm just stating it. Since this is an isosceles triangle, this would mean DE will be equal to A. That's an important part of this particular question. Now the area of the trapezoid is given to be as half into base 1. This is a formula, positive base 2 multiplied with h. Now our area is given to be as 486. Now this is equal to base 1 is going to be A units, base 2, this is base 2A plus A, 2A, and my height h is also going to be A. So this is equal to 1 over 2 times 2A plus A gives me 3A, 3A times A gives me 3A squared. Now I got a 486 here. Now if I were to take this 3 and reduce this, this is going to be 3 will divide 4 once, 6 3s are 18, and 3 divides 6 2 times. So 3 2 are 6, 18 1, that's fine. And I push this 2 there, so it's going to be 2 times of this is equal to A squared. So therefore A squared is equal to 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3. So 3 to 4. So A is equal to root of 3 to 4. So that is how we get the value of A. Now we need to know the perimeter. So this is, let me write this value down, 18. Now A is 18 and we need to obtain DC. Now we can apply the Pythagoras rule. So DC is equal to A squared plus this A squared, right? So this plus this. So A squared plus A squared is the square root of this. So that's going to be 2 times A squared, which is equal to, now if I were to apply the square root, this is going to be root of 2 times A, which is equal to root of 2 times, my A is 18, so I substitute 18 there. So this is my DC. So if we were to get the perimeter, it's going to be sum up of all these sides. So let me write that down here. So starting with this, that's going to be root of 2 times 18 plus 2a, that's going to be 2 times 18 plus a, that's 18, and plus a, that's going to be plus 18. So if I were to take 18 out as a common quantity, I get a root 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So that can be simplified. Let me simplify that over here. So this is going to be 18 of root of 2 positive 2 plus 1 plus 1, that's going to be 4. So this is what we have got. Now root of 2 is 1.414 plus 4, that's going to be 5.414 multiply with 18. So 18 times this. So if I were to multiply it, the value would approximately be 97.45. So this is the perimeter of the trapezoid. Thank you everybody. Enjoy your night.